Hello, everyone. Welcome to today's training. Thank you guys for joining today. So can anyone just let me know in the chat section if I am loud and clear to everyone? Just type in the chat section loud and clear, then I would be confident that my audio is clear to everyone. Okay. That is great. Okay. So how this training will happen? Okay. For the people that are raising their hand, please keep that for the later section of this training. We will take all the questions that you have. Okay. So a lot of members are here from our private level machines community. And so let's tell me how the training is going to be, right? So first, I have a presentation that I have to show you. This is the launch method, product launch method that we are using. Actually, we handle few US clients. We do their product launch on their behalf. So this strategy we were using for them, and this strategy we have tried and tested in our Indian products as well, and it worked really well. Some of the methods that I'm going to share, you already know it, but you don't know how to implement it. And if you're from my private level machines community, you have heard about this strategy, you have seen in the training videos. But today I'm going to make it clear that how the steps are actually being done. How do you connect all those steps? Then how do you finally go and bring the traffic to those? So will be a combination of PPC launch, plus it will be a combination of rebates, plus it will be a combination of search, find, buy. We are going to look at all those things. Plus we are also going to go how to give coupons, unique coupons, so that it cannot be claimed the second time. That is a separate method as well. So what I will ask you guys to do is, let's make this session very interactive. Okay. Are you guys hearing any echo in this room or anything? Okay. The microphone is working good, I guess. Okay. So let's do one thing. Just type in the chat section if you have crossed 10 lakhs in revenue per month, so that I would know that you are an advanced sellers or not. Okay. Just type in the chat section 1 if you have crossed 10 lakhs in revenue per month. If you haven't, type in the chat section 2. Okay. So that I would craft the questions that way. I can ask you and I can give the answer that way. I will keep in mind that whether maximum of these are advanced sellers or not. Okay. So just type in the chat section 1 if you have crossed 10 lakhs in revenue so far. Okay. Now I know from our private level machines community, there are a lot of members who have crossed 50 lakhs, 2 crores a month. I don't know if they are still active or today or not. Okay. Yeah. Okay, great. A lot of tools are there. They haven't crossed, but they want to know the advanced strategies. That is great. Okay. Knowledge is the thing, right? The more knowledge you have, the more money you are going to make. So, okay. That is great. Thank you all for typing in the chat section. Okay. Now, we will start. Okay. Let me bring the presentation for you guys then. Okay. So first I'm going to cover the strategies. Then we will take the questions. Okay. Then we will take the questions. And at the end of the session, I have few very interesting live trainings that I'm going to conduct. I'm going to tell about that as well. Okay. So at the last, I'm going to hand over all these strategies to you as well, the exact PDF that we are going to see today. So make sure you stay till the end. So let me just start the presentation. If you can see the screen, let me just bring the screen to you 1 second. Let me just share the screen. Okay. Yeah, this one. You can see the screen. Type in the chat section if you can see the screen. Okay. That is good. Okay, let me just check once. Okay. So let me cover the first launch method. At first, what we are going to cover is we are going to take the route of PPC, Amazon advertising, that you all know how to use it. I'm not going to share how to create the campaigns. Obviously, I'm going to tell you the strategies that is meant for you to do. The first launch method that we are going to see is obviously it is obviously maximum of you know this, but you haven't tried it at all, I guess. Okay, so first of all, the strategy that I'm going to show you, it is from the product validation method, where we used 10 ASINs. We have downloaded the Cerebro report, then we have taken down which are the green competitors, which are the red competitors. So first you have to find out, I'm going to show that sheet as well. Okay, so at first you have to find out the long tail keywords for the last competitor. Now what that means, I'll just show you. Okay, just wait for a second. Then the next step will be focus on ranking the first keyword, first 4 keywords. That means you have figured out what is the last competitor out of the 10 competitor that you have chosen. You will find out what is the last one that have managed to rank for the least number of keywords on the first page. I'm going to show you exactly how it looks like. Okay, then you have to figure out, suppose you have found that, okay, there are 10 keywords for which the last competitor is ranked on the first page, and those 10 keywords are relevant. How do you find out the relevancy? I will show you exactly. Okay, you have already seen the training, I guess. So out of the 10 keywords, you need to divide those 10 keywords into batch of 4. Why you need to divide it? Because you want to track exactly for which keyword you are running ads right now and you are ranking right now, and whether you are ranked for those or not. So take the batches of 4 so that it will be easier for you to maintain the launch. Okay, after you figure out the first 4 keywords, okay, you focus on ranking the first 4 keywords. How to rank it, we are going to cover it. Just wait for a second. So after the first 4 keywords are ranked, now how do you know it is ranked? You are going to track it through Helium 10's keyword tracker or not. It is up to you. Okay, but that is, I feel, the only tracker that you can use. You can even go through your incognito tab and do it manually as well. So then focus on the second set of 4 keywords. If you have 10 keywords, then you have to again focus on the next 2 that are remaining. Okay, now the focus on the third 4 keywords. Obviously a third 4 means I'm guessing that you have 4 keywords. Okay, if you have 10 keywords, then first focus on 4, then focus on the next 4, then focus on the last 2. Okay, so this is how exactly it looks like. Okay, this is the same validation we have done in the training that you have seen here from the private level machines community. You have seen this training in the product validation part, and also I have shown this in the 6 days PPC training as well. Okay, so this is how we did it. We first figure out, we have downloaded the search term report from, we have downloaded the keyword report from Cerebro by doing reverse ASIN of the top 10 ASINs. These are the top 10 ASINs: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then this red symbolizes that they have ranked for 100% of the relevant keywords. Now these are the relevant keywords based on the relevancy that we have found. We have used some formula. If you do not remember, just go back to the videos, you can just figure it out. Okay, we have found it how many products are ranked. Okay, so this is the ASIN. This has rank a relevance of 10. That means it is ranked. So this all 10 ASINs are ranked in the first page. If this keyword shows the relevancy of 10, that means all the 10 ASINs are ranked on the first page. Now this one also has the relevancy of 10. This one has the relevancy of 9. So 9 relevancy means one of them out of this 10 ASIN are not ranking in the first page. Let's try to find it out. So this is the positional rank. So this, you can see 37. The positional rank is 37. That means it is ranked on the 37th position. That is why it is getting opted out from the relevancy. So it is not counting this one. The next step that you have to do when you have found it out this, now the red symbolizes they have managed to rank for more than 60% of the keywords. These are all the list of keywords which are relevant keywords. If any of the ASIN has managed to rank for more than 60% of the keywords, that means obviously they are very competitive. That is why we have marked them as red. Okay, anything above 60%, we have marked them as red. Anything below 50%, we have marked them as light orange. Okay, so they are a little bit competitive, but not that much, because here you see they have managed to rank for 54% of the keywords. Rest 46% we have still in our hand to be ranked. Now this green one, they have ranked for the 35% of the keywords. That means out of these keywords, there are more. They have managed to rank for only 13 of this. Okay, that is 35%. So we can target this one. So we haven't targeted this one in the training as well, but we have targeted this one. Okay, this 54%. Let me show you. So what you have to do is you have to delete all these rows. Okay, delete, select this row, select this row, select this row, select this. Just let this row be there as it is. Okay. Now, once you delete all the row, this type of thing will come and the relevancy will be either 0 or 1. Okay. So 0 means they are not ranked on the first page for that keyword. 1 means they are ranked for first page for that keyword. For this keyword, they are ranked for the first page. That is why relevancy is showing 1. It will automatically happen. When you start deleting, the relevancy will change automatically because the formula is already there. Now, these are the keywords that you need to focus for the ranking for the first phase. Now, you have to sort it by search volume. Okay. Sort it by search volume, pick up the top 10 or top 12 keywords from it and start ranking based on this process. Okay. So once you pick up this, there it has 37 keywords, but obviously the search volume for few of them are not that good. You are going to sort it by search volume, higher to lower, take it. Guys, please unmute your microphones. Okay. Please unmute your microphones because it is not a live, it is not a recorded webinar. Okay. So these are the keywords, but here it is 37. You need to focus on the top 12 or 15. Okay. Since it is the last competitor, 12 keywords should be enough, long tail. Okay. Search volume, you have to sort it by search volume. After you find the 12 keywords, then you have to do this method. Okay. Okay. Then what should be the ranking methods? What should be the ranking method for this? Okay, you have sorted out the 12 keywords, which are long tail. That means they have 3 to 4 word phrases into it, maybe more. Then what should be your ranking method? So first of all, what we are going to do, we are going to, after we are ranked for all, so what we have to do is, let me just show you what you have to do for ranking. Okay. So for ranking, what you have to do, you have to build a group of 20 to 40 people from your friends and relatives. Okay. So that is what you have to do. Build a group. Okay. 20 to 40. Why that? I mean that because we are going to do some search, find, buy. Later, I am also going to cover the PPC strategy. First, we are going to focus on the search, find, buy. So build a list of 20 to 40 people whom you know, maybe your friends. Our goal is not to get reviews, so there should be no issues with that. So build that group, build a group of 20 to 40 people from your friends and relatives. Then what you have to do is give them the first keyword, okay, and ask them to search the keyword and buy the product normally as they buy in Amazon's. Okay. So you can obviously pay them upfront that, and you can obviously reduce the price a little bit of the product. If suppose your product selling price, ultimate selling price, your competitor is selling at 999, you can make it 699 and pay the 699 to your relative and ask them to buy. If they are very close to it, they will not ask for the money, right? So ask them to buy. Simply take the first keyword from the list that you have sorted out of the 12. They are going to search it, going to add to cart it, then they are going to purchase it normally as a customer does. Okay. And tell them where the product lies. It may be in the first page, second page, fourth page. And the next thing you have to do is you have to focus on at least 2 times, like you have to focus on purchase. The sales per keyword should be at least 2. Suppose you're asking 2 of the people from the group that use this keyword and purchase. So you have to make sure each keyword has at least 2 purchases. Okay. Now it can increase depending on the competition, but you are going to track it eventually. So you would know exactly how much purchases are going to need. But since this is a long tail keyword and it is a last competitor keyword, so it is not going to take more than 2 sales based on Indian marketplace. We have seen through a lot of competitive market as well. 2 sales is a lot during the honeymoon period to boost your sales and ranking. So if the keyword is competitive, then it may take a little bit more than 2, but you would know that by tracking. If you see the ranking is not increasing or going to the first page, then you may have to do 1 more purchase to that. Okay. Now for ranking, the PPC strategy that you have to do. Okay. For ranking, the PPC strategy that you have to do is you have to run the keywords, the 12 keywords that you have taken out on side by side. You have to run campaigns as well. So the campaigns that we run, suppose the keyword is a vacuum storage bag for kitchen. That has three word phrases into it. 4 doesn't count, right? Three word phrases into it. So what I would do is, my first campaign that I'm going to create the name of that campaign will be top of the search exact TOS/EX/ the keyword, like the vacuum storage for kitchen. Then I am going to create that campaign. So how the campaign will be, you have to put only one keyword in the ad group. Only one ad group will be there, only one keyword inside that ad group. And the match type will be exact for the first campaign, but the bid will be 1 rupees. You have to go to the placement stat on the campaign settings and change it to 400%. You will start with 400%. Then when you see it is not getting impression, you will increase slowly. So our second campaign will be the same keyword, but the campaign name will be product page pp/TOS/ the exact match EX, then your keyword, that is vacuum storage for kitchen. So what you are doing is, for each keyword you are creating 4 campaigns. First, exact match top of the search, then exact match product page, where the placement stat for product page will be increased to 400%, the remaining will be kept 0. Third campaign will be phrase match top of the search, then fourth one will be phrase match product page. Now, why we are creating exact match as well as phrase match but not going for the broad one right now? So phrase match will attract more long tail keywords. It will attract more string of words into the exact match. It will add more keywords into your keywords, so that when you download the search term report, you can see that, okay, I have been using only this keyword vacuum storage, but the results I have got is huge, like vacuum storage red, vacuum storage high, Excel size, which may convert for you a lot more higher. And your cost per click will be very low because you are targeting top of the search separately. So if you have created a campaign without optimizing for top of the search or product page and just increase the bid, you will see the cost per click that you will get is very, very high. So 4 campaigns per keyword. So for 12 keywords, you need to create 12 into 4 campaigns. That will be close to 48 campaigns. Now, broad, we will wait for at least 4 to 5 days to start. Same with automatic campaigns. At the same time, you are going to run. Automatic campaigns after 4 days as well. But when you're starting, you are going to also create some product targeting campaigns targeting your hot new releases. The new releases. You can just search the keyword, then short the filter. The filter you can set new releases, and it will show all the new ASINs that I have launched. Take the top 4 to 5 based on the BSR and keep it on the campaign. Okay. 4 ASINs per campaign should be enough, too easy for you to maintain. Okay, let's go for the next method. This is the PPC method that we are going to use. Okay, now guys, if you have any questions, just ask the questions right now. Raise your hand before unmuting yourself. Raise your hand. I'll just call your name, that then you can ask the question. Okay. Okay, we have a few members asking the question. Let me see. Okay, yes, Mr. Mahesh, you can ask your question. Unmute yourself and answer the question. Okay. Okay, looks like Mr. Mahesh is not here. Mr. Trilok, you can ask the question.
Hi, Sammy. As you suggested, to raise the top of the search campaign with the 400%, what would be the bid type? Like it is dynamic.
No, it will be down only. Okay, do not go anything with these campaigns. You can do fixed or down only. What we suggest is, if you're just focusing on ranking in the first page, fixed bid will be best. Okay, because then you will have the more control over it. But down and fixed, those operate the same way. Those are all in your favor, right? But when you push it to up and down, then it goes a little bit to Amazon's favor, and you can optimize it properly. When you do up down only, that means if suppose Amazon sees there's opportunity that you can pay less to be ranked, then they will obviously show it. But fixed bid also, if you're bidding 1 rupees and by placement stat you have increased to 400%, your new bid becomes 5 rupees. So if Amazon sees that at 3 rupees you can get cost per click, then you will get 3 rupees, right? So fixed bid as well as a low down only works the same way.
Okay. And one more point is like as you shown the competition between the like
Yeah.
keywords, right?
Hmm.
So the last we are targeting the last person who's actually competing with our product.
Yeah.
So the person who were on the first, okay, whoever is the competition. So that also ranking for the all the keywords which are like we are selecting like 12 keywords. So then the competition also the best seller basically is
No,
also
it may
ranking for
not
the
be,
same keyword.
because if you see the top competitor, he was ranking for almost 80 to 90% of the keywords. There are still some keywords where the relevancy was not 10, right?
Mhm.
Relevancy not 10 means some of the keywords that all that first is not ranking, maybe, right?
Mm.
But if the last company is ranking on the first page and getting good sales, where the last company is last because he do not have that much reviews, you see the listing. If he is not able to rank for all the keywords and you are able to rank, now obviously you have to have a better product than the last one, right? You can't launch
Right.
the same product. If you launch the same product, trust me, your review strategy will not work, your campaign strategy will not work, nothing will work if your product is not good. So
Mhm.
we are assuming you have a better product than all of the rest in the game.
Mhm.
So that is the main strategy here. Differentiate well. Then when you push the keywords for which the last company is ranked for, it may be the first competitor is not ranked for those keywords, maximum of them. It may be, okay. Because what we have seen, the first competitor is ranked for 80 to 90% of the keywords. The 10% is still remaining, okay. And
So
it may happen.
okay, okay. So
Yeah,
while
yeah, yeah.
choosing, my question is basically while choosing it, should we consider like that the main competitor is not ranking for those
No,
long
no,
tail
no, no.
keywords?
No, the main competitor is ranking for good keywords, right? Those are relevant keywords.
Yeah,
So in the first page, how many positions are there? Only one position is not there, right?
yeah.
So that is the thing here. So you also need to show on the first page. It may happen that you convert. If your product is better, it may happen your price is lower in the launch phase. You may convert better than him. So
Mhm.
that is the strategy here. So that is what I'm trying to say. You are not
Okay.
actually taking the position of the first competitor here. You can show a little bit below the first position, first competitor, but it may
Mhm.
happen that you convert more than him because your offer is better than him. If you do some bundling, your offer will be far more better, because the price you are launching in the launch is lower, okay. So that is
Mhm.
what I am trying to say here. Is it
Okay.
clear enough, or do you need any
Yeah,
explanation on that? Okay.
yeah. I got idea about it. Like that was my question that
Yeah,
because
because there are so many placements in the first position, right?
yeah, yes, yes, yes.
Even
Okay.
the last company is also showing there. So you can
Mhm.
obviously get to that. After all, you can't predict how the customer is going to behave with the offers you're going to provide.
Right,
So
right, right.
we'll take next question from Mr. Alok. Mr. Alok, you can unmute yourself and ask the question.
Hello, Semi.
Yeah. Hi,
Semi,
Mr. Alok.
my question is that you have advised to do phrase and exact match for the same
Yeah.
keywords. So will they not be competing against each other? Like we are, if you
Let
they
them
were in the
compete,
same
but after all, it
campaign.
is you are the bidder, right? Let them compete, but you are the bidder. Phrase match works separately, right? Our target for phrase match, if we don't put the keyword, if you don't put the exact match keyword that we have used in exact campaign, how would you find the long tail keyword of that keyword? So in order to find the long tail version of the exact match, we need to run phrase match as well, right? So you are not here to focus on only 4 to 5 keywords. You are here to find 200, 300 campaigns which can drive sales togetherly. Now, our target, when you create a listing, I think you already know it about it. Okay, when you create a listing, in the first stage, in the first 1 or 2 months, our target is to mature that listing. And in the first 1 or 2 months, our target is to get at least index for 800 plus organic keywords. And within next 6 months, our target is to get index for 1500 plus organic keywords. So when you have such a great organic traffic coming, trust me how much sales you are going to make. And once you are running phrase match, you are going to also start broad match as well in later stage of the campaign structure, campaign launch strategy. When you have some good amount of reviews, automatic and broad, you can start on the same time with low bids. Okay, but exact match, you are running it. Exact match will only attract. Suppose you are running ball. Only if customer search ball, it will show, and if customer searches balls, it will show singular and plural. but you are not getting any long tail version of it. If suppose customer is searching balls for kids, your ad is not going to show. But if it is a phrase match, your ad is going to show. So it may happen that ball for kids is being searched more than just balls. Okay. So how do you find that keyword? You will just lose the opportunity if you're not running phrase match, right?
Okay. And the product also we need to search, we need to do the PPC simultaneously because or only the keyword we need to do initially.
No, you need to do the both, okay? Because it is after all ranking in all the sites. You need to show Amazon that you are getting traffic from all sorts of things. When we do launch for our US clients, what we do is we do all sorts of things from search, find, buy. We do rebate, we do direct Google ads, we do what it is called PPC, launch PPC strategies, all. We even do ManyChat, but ManyChat, what happens is Facebook keeps blocking our accounts, so our ManyChat account, so it becomes a little bit tough for us. But we do all sorts of things. When Amazon sees you are getting traffic in your listing from 5 to 6 different aspects, then it will obviously reward your listing during the honeymoon period. Now, honeymoon period is just a name that Amazon sellers have given to it, okay? But it is after all Amazon's procedure to get more data about the listing. So it is Amazon that is getting the data more so that it can serve the customer more better. That is why we get more traffic in the initial stage, okay? Because Amazon wants to collect all the data very fastly, very faster. So that is why we give the benefit of honeymoon period. Any more question, guys? Mr. Prakash has some question. You can unmute yourself.
Sir, before launching our PPC campaign, you tell about search by your friends by keyword. So first we need to buy from our friends by keyword or launch PPC directly.
No, you are going to do all the same thing. So what will happen is, suppose you are not running PPC, then your friend will go search the keyword, they will not see your product. Okay, because you are launching the product will not show on the first, second, third, fourth, fifth page, maybe in the 10th page. So if you're running PPC, then they will obviously see it. And when they buy through clicking the PPC ad for sponsored ad, then Amazon do not suspect it that much. Okay. That is what you need to do PPC, because after all, you need a lot of traffic on the listing in the first launch strategy. You need to go a little bit aggressive on that launch. Okay. We have done some launches where the competition was very less. We'd have done bundle and without doing anything, with simple only exact match campaign through brand analytics search terms, we are able to get 25 to 30 orders on the first day. We have just scaled that. Okay. We have started getting 25 orders. It was a pan rack that I have launched. I have discontinued that product. That is why I'm sharing it. It is in home and kitchen. We have launched that pan rack with 2 bundles, one chopping board, one oven made gloves, that the gloves used to put the tray in oven. Okay. We have differentiated well because everyone in the market was selling black pan rack. Okay. And we have differentiated by putting the pans, red pans, where other competitors were showing black pans. So every competitor's listing was showing black because everything, the pot, the pan rack, everything was black. Whereas our product came up with a 2-sided rack with the pans there red. So it is eventually distracting the customer's eyes. Okay. Then we have added the chopping board because now they are distracted. We need to convert them. So the chopping board was a smaller version of chopping board. It wasn't costing us that much. And the next was the oven meat gloves that was red colored. It was straight driving so much conversion. On the first day, I got 25 orders with almost like 0 reviews. Then I got 5 reviews, and slowly within the week, my competitor was selling at 999. I was selling at 1399. My competitor reduced the price by 100 rupees because I was taking majority of the market share. Now that product just diminished in sales volume because of the COVID happened and everyone was stuck with a lot of inventory and the just sales dropped for that market. My inventory stuck in China. I requested my factory to give a reimbursement because I have already paid 50%. I have gone through trade assurance order and they have refunded the whole amount. I have got like almost $80 was cut during the transaction, but the rest I got back. Okay. So no, recordings are not available for this training. That is a one-time training. We will do a couple of these trainings. Okay, recording is not available. I'll give you an option to get this recording if you want to, because this is straightly expensive training. You know about it. Okay. So now the second method. Okay, is there any other questions? Okay, let me just check if there are any other questions.
If we put ball like example you gave, ball and balls. Should we have two keywords or one keyword we can maintain there?
One keyword. If you put exact ball, then balls will be also there. Okay. Even we have seen exact match also targets some misspellings at well, but we have not so many data to support that. Okay. Though for phrase match, broad match, even if you're targeting a dog product, it shows for cat product as well. Okay. It wasn't this way previously when we started with broad match. But right now, what we see, maybe because Amazon has getting less data about broad match, they are also showing for cat products. If you're targeting dog, that is bad. Okay, so we have
So
to
even
limit
broad
broad
also
match.
we can, in broad also ball and balls we can have one instead of two.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. So I am new in Amazon. Is this training for newcomers in Amazon like me? Just gain the knowledge. Okay, just take this knowledge. We don't know where and when it can be used. Okay. So we'll just stop taking questions right now. We'll just finish the training and then take the next questions. Okay. So the next method that I'm going to show is promo method by two-step URL. Okay. This is a method. I'm going to show one software. It is free to use. You can use it even in Indian marketplace. It can use it. Okay. I am not affiliated to it. I don't have any affiliate links to it. Sorry. So this software gives you 21 days free trial. You get all the benefits of it. You can use it during the launch period. Okay, I'm going to show it to you first. Okay, let me just escape the okay, let me just show it to you. 1 second. Okay. Can you guys see the screen? Can you guys see the website? The pages.landingcube.com where the mouse is. Yeah, just let me know. Okay, it will be faster to conduct this training if you can just type in the chat section about it. Okay. So this website, okay, I don't know if it is zoomable or not. Let me just see. Yeah. So this is a website that is built automatically. I haven't crafted this website. I've just put the link of the product. Okay, this is a product that is a hot selling product. If you know this product, okay, this market is flooded right now. So what it does is, okay, so we have to drive traffic to it. Now, from where you are going to drive the traffic to it? This is a website. What the main function of this website is to distribute coupons, unique coupons to the customer. Okay, once they claim coupon, then this page appears. They can copy it and redeem the coupon. Okay, once they go to redeem the coupon, okay, let me just do one thing. Okay, because I think this is loaded already. Yeah. So once you click claim coupon, you have to enter your email. Okay, let me just give a new email. So as soon as you enter your email, you will also get one email from them as well. Okay. So here you see the email has already came. So the email also gives you the coupon code and the link to redeem the coupon code. Now here we have done few changes here. Okay. So what changes we have done? Once you click this redeem coupon code, you have to set the coupon code. You have to set the coupon code here. Okay. At the back end, I'll show you. So once you click the so once you click the coupon code, the product appears. Now this is a two-step URL that we have used. I'll show you the backend as well. Okay. And then they goes and purchases a product. Now two-step URL still works. And even the same link, when you click this link also, it goes to the same website page. Okay. Now there is another method that we have used. Okay. This is the coupon code. This is a symbol version of the coupon code. But if in India, you know, when you're running ads or anything, either from Google ads, Facebook ads, we try with Google ads because that is more search oriented. When you do Google ads, you need to focus on the keyword list. You can just submit the list of keywords in Google ads dashboard, the relevant keywords. Okay. You can put 20, 30 keywords, divide in 10 keywords per ad group. The same structure is there in Google ads as well. Okay. I'm not going deep into that. So then the customer comes after seeing the ad, then they claims the code, and then they text the coupon code. But what happened is maximum of the case they takes the coupon code, but they don't go for purchase because the offer, the 30% off do not look that enticing for them. So what I have made to make this offer more enticing is, let me just show it to you. Okay. So this is another thing that I was doing. I think this one, let me just see it. No, this wasn't that. So this was the one. Okay. So after the click redeem coupon code, we have made one extra step here. Okay. The step is this one. Okay. What we have done is wait, claim one extra free gift from us. Now, how they are going to get the gift after they submit their order ID with us. Okay. This is a simple page that is built up. We do this service for US clients as well. Okay. So what this does is wait, claim one extra gift. Now, this increases the conversion of your coupons, because in India, what we have seen, coupon conversion is very low. What we are telling them, follow this step. First, buy this product by using the coupon code that is shared on the last page. And then step 2, email us the order ID to give the free gift. Okay. Then once you click on redeem coupon code, the 2-step URL is put on this button. With US, what we are doing is we are using brand referral URL here instead of 2-step URL. Brand referral URL just gives extra 10% commission to the seller who is doing it if he's driving external traffic. And on the brand referral page, there is an option to submit URL where you want. When customers clicks their brand referral URL, you can drive them to a separate URL in Amazon. That URL we are using 2-step URL. So they just click and the page opens. Okay, now this page is now set. That is how you need to do it. We are using this. We are using this one. We are using this one in India. Okay, to drive some traffic, and that was really good because you have to drive good traffic from Facebook ad. Trust me, it is not useless. Okay. Sorry, for Facebook, it is useless because it is very costly there. The traffic there is not that good. Once we would do with Google ads, you target those keywords. Those keywords will be used in Google ads. Okay. You can just download the Cerebro report, use those keywords in Google ads. Okay. That will be there. And for the guys that are just asking for the recording, what I'll suggest is don't wait for the recording, because recording is not be available, but we will do this kind of training often. Okay. So don't be, don't feel that you are going to miss out. Okay. So this is about the coupon code. Now for coupon code, one thing you have to remember, do not go beyond 30%. Okay. Do not go beyond 30%. That is not appreciated by Amazon at all. Okay. Your product conversion per keyword will be very less. The juice that you would get from a full price purchase versus anything that you get from above 30%, then the juice, the keyword ranking juice will be far more less. Okay. So you can even rotate the keyword here. I will just show the backend how it is being prepared. Okay. Let me just go. Okay. Let me just do edit once. Okay. So this is how it appears. Okay. When you have just enter the A sign, the product URL, and then you can just set it normal way. Then this is the page. You can even set some options here. Even in the, they have a lot of options here. Okay. They have a lot of options. These all are automatically generated. You don't have to put anything here. Okay. These all are automatically generated as soon as you enter the URL. Then you go save and continue. Obviously it is saved. And this is a thing that works with Indian thing as well. Okay. You need to put the coupon code. Now here, one thing you can see is there you can put all the tracking links. If you're using Google Shopping ads, which I don't know why you're not using, just create a website. Okay. Even we have the service. We provide e-commerce website to the clients. If you want e-commerce, we can do it. If you want Shopify, we can do it. Okay. Google Analytics, because every customer that is coming in your landing page, they had to be tracked. It is very hard to get the first purchase if they don't know you. Once you retarget, shopping ads are very cheap. Okay. Target through that. You can set all these tags here. Then you just save and continue. And here you can just put the promo codes. You can just download the list of promo codes and put it here. Now, what we do is when we use two-step URL, this is a two-step URL that we have used because in India, we don't have brand referral bonus. Okay. If you can drive traffic to Amazon store where you can track how much sales you are getting. In destination URL, you can change. Now you can check this one. Okay. You can check this one and this one. What it does is it avoids any type of word string or URL string or timestamp to be stick on the URL so that Amazon don't know from where the traffic is coming. This is an option. The second option is so the second option, okay, let me just see. So the second option is a rebate method by two-step URL. So let me just quickly show you that one as well. So brand referral URL is basically a program that is running in .com right now, but in .in there is not, it haven't started. The only way you can track any outside traffic if they're converting to sales or not is by driving them to store. You can create separate URLs in store, going to by the store insights. Okay, you can do that way. Let me just show you the rebate method, how it is working with Indian. Okay. Let me just share the screen again. So this is a rebate page. Okay, this is a rebate page for a product. This is the product Bold Fit water bottle. So what happens in this page? This is a simple page, but here we are giving them for free. Now I haven't copied like done any work on the copy, so it is very hard for the customer to get it what they are getting. Okay. So here you can say it's that you can getting for 0 rupees, but how the process works is actually stated here. Also, when you click on this, okay, let me just. So I have already done that, so it is showing as already used. Let me just duplicate this page. So this is the page. Okay, they will come here, they will click this, and this options will come. How it works: buy it Amazon at full price. First, you need to buy the product on Amazon at full price for 999. This helps us promote our brand. Second, enter your order number. After you purchase on Amazon, please enter your order number in this website. We verify the order number. Next, we will verify your order number. This is to make sure you actually place an order on Amazon. Wait for the order to ship. Once the order number is verified, we'll wait until the order is shipped. Receive rebate of 999. After your order has been shipped, we'll contact you and send you rebate via Google Pay, Phone Pay, Paytm, or bank transfer. When they do continue, they have to enter the email address, and the email will also go to them. Okay. Then this page will come. They have to enter the order ID, something like that. And then that will, you have to, like in the dashboard, it shows the order number. You have to verify it manually. Okay. And then you have to also rebate them manually. This is a step which has to be done manually because otherwise it can hamper your cash flow and all. Okay, you don't know how much rebates they're asking or not. You have to do it manually. Have someone to do it, because after all, you are going to do rebates for at least like minimum 2 or 3. Don't do more than that per day. Okay, they will confirm and then they will be waiting for the verification. This has very less conversion in India based on the other methods we have used. But still, there are some people who are doing it well. Okay, we have seen good number of conversions in Delhi, in Mumbai, in Tamil Nadu, in Karnataka, but the rest places we haven't seen that much of growth. We are doing Facebook ads for this part. We haven't seen that much of growth on this one. Okay. Any questions on this part?
If Amazon comes to find it, will it be some issue?
Yeah, obviously they will suspend your account. They will take your selling privilege. How Amazon is going to find it? Okay, this is a thing. This is a gray method. This is a great method we are using for clients for like almost 6 to 8 months, this method. Okay. So my private level machines covers a lot of advanced strategies, but this is a method that is not covered there. Okay.
Sammy, the two methods that you said is based on landing pages. So I just want to ask, like, how do you drive traffic to those landing pages?
Yeah,
Which are the
first-
best and cheapest? Yeah.
First, Google Ads and the rebate method we haven't done through Google Ads. Then we can do it from Facebook Ads. Those two are the options if you want more good traffic. For free one, the rebate one, Facebook Ads is good, but for the coupon code, Google Ads are best. Okay, because you can get targeted traffic through keywords. You can use keyword targeting in Google Ads, whereas in Facebook you have to do interest-based targeting. But you need to put pixels and Google tags there so that you can do retargeting. Okay. These are methods based on sellers doing more than 10 to 15 lakhs in month, because they have the option. Okay, they need the their own store as well, e-commerce store as well. Okay, after all, you are here to scale your brand, right? You're not here to always be stuck with Amazon and depend on Amazon. You have to ultimately scale it. So for scaling it, you obviously need to drive traffic to your website as well, get those influencer marketing, get all sorts of things. Objective for Google Ads, you can select keywords in the audience, and for Facebook ad, you can choose the targeting. Okay, that will be based on demographic and all. So next, so what I will do is, guys, I have a small offer for you. I am doing a live training. I'm doing a live advertising training. How to generate unique coupon code. You find a lot of videos. Okay, you find a lot of videos. Even in my private little machines, you are into that. So you can just get to the. I think it will be in 29 or 33rd module, something like that. Get that video. There is that. Okay, how to create unique coupon codes. Even in this page builder, it shows how to get that. Okay. Now, guys,
Just one doubt for the landing cube. The coupon is being created on the landing cube or Amazon front? Like,
no, you have to first create on Amazon. Then you can download in a notepad format. Suppose you want 10 coupon codes. Just write down, I want 10 coupon codes, enter the group name. It will just give you a downloaded format. You have to upload that file to landing cube. Then it will give unique coupon code for each user.
Okay. Oh, got it.
Okay. So guys, how many of you felt that this was something new? How many of you felt that this is something new? Just type in the chat section new. Okay. Okay, that is great. That is great. Now, how many of you are going to use this method? That will cost you extra 5 to 10,000 of your launching budget, but that launch will be a successful launch. We are doing it in the most competitive market.com. And trust me, we are getting so much results. So if you're doing in India, no one is doing it. Now, I share some of this strategy in our private level machines community, because we do weekly trainings like this often. And okay, so many new. Okay.
Yeah, Sammy, this is regarding this debate method. What you were
Yeah.
explaining. So this method is like, I understood, like basically we'll create the page, landing page through landing queue, and we'll drive the traffic to the landing page. But we are not taking directly from there to Amazon page to buy the product, right?
No, we are not.
So
So
how?
that is that if you do that, then first of all, your keyword will not get in juice. You are just getting normal traffic, right? So in order to get the keyword a little bit juice, we are here to rank our products right now. If you want to drive traffic directly, then you need to use Google Store URL, because you want to track that. That will be more on conversion. Here, your focus, your goal is ranking. For that purpose, you need to use either hidden keyword URL or two-step URL. So that will focus on ranking those keywords, specific keywords. Even in landing cube, you can just rotate the URLs. That means you first keyword you can put, second keyword you can put, third keyword. That will just rotate based on traffic. So every keyword will get some sales. Okay. And what we did was we were actually trying ManyChat. We are doing ManyChat, search find by a lot. and rebate as well as a lot, but our accounts was getting banned a lot of time. Not Amazon account, but Facebook and ManyChat link up was getting broke up. So that is why we have shifted to LandingCube, because ManyChat gets a lot of like struggles. We get a lot of struggles to ManyChat. Okay. Now I want to ask you one question, guys. If you are got value, can I just share one offer for you guys? Can I just share one offer for you guys? Okay. So guys, what I'm going to do is, what I have seen maximum of the time, okay, we have a lot of people in our training program, in our private level machines. We have people doing from 50 lakhs a month to 2 crores a month. But the thing that we miss is, with recorded courses, there are things that you don't get. That is why we have live training in our private level machines. We do weekly Zoom sessions to do that. But what I'm going to do is, I have a special offer for you, okay, for those who wants to learn all advanced Amazon strategies like this one. Now, these strategies will be lesser on outside traffic and more on Amazon traffic. Okay. Now, this is an advanced course for only existing sellers. So if you're a new seller, please don't go for it, because it will ultimately overwhelm you and you will hate Amazon after all, because it is so many things there. Okay. So for those who wants to get hold of all Amazon advertising strategy that we haven't covered in this 6 days training or in my PLM group or in this training. Okay. For those who wants an advanced level advertising course for existing sellers. Okay. And so this training, we call it advanced advertising machines course. Now this is going to be a live training. So this live training has specific dates that is going to be happen. So advanced advertising machines program, this is only for advanced sellers. Okay, we are going to cover all advanced strategies into it, and maximum of it will be focused on internal traffic, not outside traffic. Okay, all advanced strategies that we use to reduce ACoS or increase the sales and increase the sales. Then the next thing we are going to cover is review autopilot, advanced strategies to get reviews on demand. Okay, I have done a recent YouTube video on sharing some of the strategies we use for reviews, but in the ManyChat, as I have said, there are a lot of issues. Okay, so we have moved to ManyChat. We still use ManyChat a lot, but we use some other methods to get reviews as well. And we are also going to cover some advanced product launch strategies in that training as well. We are again going to cover this and also going to break it down. And again, we are going to cover a lot of internal methods, which will require PPC a lot, not outside traffic like Google Ads, Facebook ads. Advanced variation launch strategies. Okay, now these are some strategies we don't share a lot, because we feel the value that like it is a little bit expensive to share, because if everyone tries to use this, then after all, the value of this method will lose, right? So we don't share these strategies a lot. Advanced relaunch strategies for SKU that went out of stock. These are some strategies we are going to do. Okay. Then advanced search find by techniques that Amazon can never detect that you are doing. Advanced keyword ranking strategies to rank on first product, first page using URL and add to cart methods. Add to cart method, we haven't shared that. That also we do, but we limit that very less. Okay, because the limitation for those are very high and the risks are very high. So we have to limit that. Advanced campaign structure and ranking strategies for variations. If you have a lot of SKUs, you know how to maintain those, or you don't know. I don't know about it. But when we get a client in our advertising agency, we ask them how many SKUs that they have. And some of them tell they are doing 5 lakhs a month and they have 3,000 SKUs. Trust me, is it worth having 3,000 SKU and doing 5 lakhs? Well, we have products who does 6 lakhs a month in revenue with just one product. How fair it is. Once you know how to differentiate your product, once you know how to create the right bundle, how to create the right main image, how to create the first reviews, how to push the negative reviews to the back of the page, then trust me, those revenue are nothing. Okay. Now there is a thing, revenue and profit varies a lot. We have seen sellers who have got 6 lakhs, 7 lakhs in revenue with just 2-3 products. But when they see their return ratio is going above 5-6%, Trust me, when we ask them to recheck their margins, they say we are in negative. That is a common thing that happens with the Indian marketplace. If you don't know how to calculate your return rate, and if you're not maintaining a good product, you are going to be at a loss for sure. Okay. Advanced strategies for dominating any upcoming sales. Sales strategies differ from normal strategies a lot, because you have to work on your budgets, you have to work on the bids, you have to work on new keywords that will have more sales oriented traffic. Now, what I'm going to share with you, okay, advanced advertising machine program, but this program is not going to be a recorded one. You are not going to get any login details, nothing. Okay, it is going to be same as we are doing this training right now. It is going to be live. The training will start from 22nd of January 2022. Okay, 22nd of January, it is almost 1 month from now, and that training is going to start on 22nd January. Now, for some of you who were in my first training, first one-to-one mentorship, that we took only 10 people into it, that was kind of similar. Okay, and we had 90% success rate from that training, because that was live and we had got such a great experience from it. It is going to be a 5-week intensive training. Okay, so with 2 live trainings every week, Saturday and Sunday. So 5 weeks, there will be total 10 sessions. One session will be on Saturday, one session will be Sunday, because those 2 dates everyone will be available. We are not doing in weekdays. So for 5 weeks, we are going to conduct this training. Each training will be on Saturday, each training will be on Sunday. Okay. You will be a participant in the Zoom session to ask question, or will be in between training. The same way we did this training, the same thing will be happen that way. Okay. Now, recording for the whole 5-week program will be available for the participants. You will get a separate login details after the training is finished to access the videos whenever you feel. Okay. And seats for that, seats will be very limited to only 30 people. Okay, because that is a Zoom training. Now you can see there are so many people in this training, even just unmuting themselves and just trying to spam our training, right? Don't take it, I'm just kidding. Okay, but there will have a limitation to only 30 people, because we want only those people who are actually interested in scaling their business instead of any spammers. Okay. So the advanced training, the total fees of the training will be 16,999. But okay, but I have a special offer for you for this training only. You can pay 999 rupees and book your seat right now. You can pay 999 and book your seat right now. If you book your seat, you will get a flat discount of 11,000. Then you pay the remaining 5,000 on 20th of Jan. Okay, remaining 5,000 will be paid off 20th of Jan. We will add you to a WhatsApp group. We'll add you to the WhatsApp group. Then all the communication will be done on that group. So the total fees of this training will be 5,999. You pay 999 now. Book your seat. You have to book 1 seat out of the 30. Few seats are already filled. Then the remaining 5,000 you have to pay once the course starts. You have to pay on 20th. Our course will start. Our training will start on 22nd. Okay. To join the advanced training, I'll just share the link. Okay. Let me just share the link. Okay. Let me just share the link with you guys to join the advanced training. For anyone who is interested, can join the training. I'll just share the link to everyone. Okay. Yes, I'm going to share what is going to cover again. Okay. I have shared the link. You can pay 999 now. If you have any problems, then you can just contact the number that is shown below. Okay. You can just contact the number that is shown below. So let me just show you what it is going to be covered in the training. Okay. So this is straight advanced training. We are not. So here it is, what is going to be covered. Okay. So the 30 seats are limited. Okay. If you face any issues, you can contact on the number below. you can contact on the number below. But we are going to conduct this training for 30 people only. And obviously for the people that are not going to be joined, the prices for this training, when we launch it as a course, are going to be increased. Same way we did with private level machines. Okay. So in our private level machines, obviously there's a lot of advanced sellers, because that is kind of a training time sessions of Saturday and Sunday. So the Saturday, Sunday trainings timings will be based on the mornings. Okay. And if we see that Saturday maximum people are not able to get it on the morning, we can shift the Saturday to evening. Okay. It will completely depend, but we will make sure everyone will be able to join. Now you have to make some sacrifices. Okay. You have to make some sacrifice on your schedule if you want to learn something. So you may have to sacrifice your schedule a little bit for the first 5 weeks. Okay, just 5 weeks. You may have to push your work 30 minutes here and there just to attend the training, because after all, recordings will be provided, but seeing a recorded and being in a live training is completely different experience. Okay. Anyone who is interested to join that, just I have shared the link in the chat section. Okay, I've shared the link in the chat section. You can just click on that. If you have any questions or anything, you can just message on this number that is provided below. Okay, now we will take some questions. Okay, we'll take some questions related to this training we had happened. Okay. Okay, guys. We'll take question regarding the training we did right now.
Hi, Sammy. This is Bharat here.
Yes, Mr.
So
Bharat.
once you are doing a product launch, so what kind of budget do you allocate for each task? Suppose search, find, buy, rebate, reviews. So can you just explain on that?
So I'll tell you one thing. Okay, for the launch, when we did it, it will be different for everyone. Okay. So this thing, we are okay to be at a loss of 100 rupees per product. So we are aiming at to loss like 30 to 50,000 in the first 1 or 2 months. So that is how we do it, because after all, we are building a shop. This is a shop that we are creating. One listing is a shop for us. If one listing can generate 6 lakhs of revenue, trust me, just go and find out how many shops are there who are making just 6 lakhs in revenue from one store. They have thousands of lakhs of SKUs sitting on their store, but they're getting that much sales. But with one product, if you can get that, can you not invest 50,000, 60,000 to just get ranked well? And what happens is maximum sellers, what we see, they rank their product well, then they go out of stock for 1 week. That will hamper your ranking, and you will blame Amazon, you will blame the selling methods you are doing. Okay. So if you have allocated a budget, we don't allocate a budget. We look at how much, because after all, the budget you are spending is on Google ads and Facebook ads. We do Facebook ads very less because we still feel rebate are a little bit risky. We do Google ads for the coupon codes, and that is, we can put 5,000 budget for a week, then we scale it. Okay. For ads, we don't put any budget. We don't limit our campaigns. We go very aggressive with the bids. We start with 400% for the top of the search. We observe it for 1 day. 1 day you will obviously not get that much impressions. Second day, we'll start getting some impression. Third day, we just push it a little bit, 100% increase. That means now our bids will be 6 rupees instead of 5 rupees. Okay. So allocation is not there so much, but we still calculate like how much product we have to sell. Like suppose we are selling 200 or 300 products at a loss of 100 rupees. Then we are going at how much? 30,000 at a loss. Then again, we have to pay 20 reviews for getting 20 reviews. That is a part that depends on how much price of your product is. That is also you have to calculate. Again, for the search, find, buy, if you're paying to your relatives, that is some parts that you have to calculate. That will be completely dependent on your product. Okay. Those are the 3 or 4 aspects that you need to calculate a budget. Okay. And then you are good to go. Okay. Was I able to clear that doubt, or is there any more explanation on that?
No, Sammy, I got it. So basically Facebook ads very limited, and then Google ads you're spending more, and then PPC, and then free product giveaways. Is that right?
Yeah. It is not free product. It looks to you as a free, as us as a seller, it looks free, but for the one for Amazon, it is full price. Okay. Or 30% or 50%. Any other question, guys? You can unmute yourself, Mr. Urban. You can unmute yourself and ask the question. Yeah, Mr.
Sami,
Urban. Yeah.
yeah, one question like from the previous question, actually, like
Mhm.
other like influencer, using
Yeah.
influencers for product launches. How do you do? How do you do that?
No, we have stopped using that. Okay, we have stopped using that because there is no way to track it. Even if you're using influencers, the same thing happens, right? So you will, if suppose we are using 5,000 in Google Ads, one influencer will easily take 5,000, and the conversion will be very less. If you're focusing on influencer, then focus on only branding. That is later stage when the listing is ranked well, when the listing is matured, to gain some more eyeballs. That is okay. But when you're doing influencer marketing, you can simply give them like the landing page URLs. Okay, the coupon code URL that we have sent, the coupon code page that we have built, you can just build the same page and give it to them, the URL. Then they will drop the traffic. They will get extra 15% off. They can pay. The same thing will happen. But no, now you can see. Okay. But what I feel, influencer marketing for the launch will be expensive, because influencer marketing, that is after all our strategy to get more brand reach, not to get more conversions.
Okay.
Hello.
Yeah. Any other questions?
Yes, Sami, can you hear me?
Yeah.
Okay. So I have just reached on module 4 in the course, private label
Yeah.
machines, and I faced a few questions. One is product track, second is keywords track, third is sales track. These are the terms that I came to. I mean, I faced
Okay.
these things, but I couldn't understand product tracking. What is keyword tracking? I mean, product track and track means it is related to the past history of that product. That 7 days, 90 days, 1 year, all time.
Product tracking means it is obviously tracking the rank, like doing add to cart 999 methods if you're not using any tools. Because we have the idea like what BSR equals to how much sales. But when you're new, you don't have that idea. So it is basically adding the product to the cart and changing the number, the quantity to 999. Then it shows how many products it available. But this method is being used very less right now because every product now has some limitations. Okay. The limitation is this way, like when you go and track, they have the limitation. It shows that this product has a limitation of 1. You can buy only 1. So now if you go and track 999, you will not be able to track it. So for that, it is the other way is just to get one product which is a close BSR to the product you are tracking, or to a separate like similar kind of product, maybe your product's competitor, track that product sales, or just use any tool, Helium 10 or anything. Even you can sign up for the free trial, you can get that access of how many sales you are getting. After all, even though you can track the sales, it is better to actually track it manually once before launching the product. Track it for 2-3 days, it is better. That is goes for the product tracking. Next thing is your sales history tracking. For the sales history, you have to look at few things. How much the seller is changing the prices. You have to also look at other competitors. Is the price trend going down or going up, or just staying stagnant? If the price trend is going down, that is an indicator that the market is going saturated a little bit. If the price is stable for last 3 months, that is an indicator it is a good market. If the price is increasing, that is a thing that, okay, the market is going to be a hot release market. The products are going to be selling a lot. So it basically tells you that the demand is a lot, but the production is very less. Where obviously it suggests that the increase of price will be there. These are the few things you have to look at. Also, when you're launching a product, make sure you go and check the ratings. If it is 4-star, then what happens is when you just scroll, when you just click on that 4 stars, it will show the rating, 3.8 rating out of 5 or something like that. If it is less than 4 rating, not stars, then you have to look at what are the negative reviews that the product have got. Can you improve that negative review or not? If you can't, then don't launch that product. Okay. Any other questions? Or I think
Yes,
I've
sir.
answered all the questions. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Just
the
message
question-
me. Okay. You can just message me if you face any kind of more issues. Okay. I think you got my number. Okay. Just message me. I'll try to reply as soon as possible. Okay.
Okay, thank you.
I mean, one method which you have mentioned, like during the product launch,
Yeah.
which is that influencer group.
Yeah.
Right? So what exactly you do on that method? Like how do you do?
So in that influencer group, that is only for reviews. Okay, that we
Right.
only focus for getting reviews, because after all, if a listing do not have more than 100, 200 reviews, that we don't call it a mature listing. Any data that you get, you can't judge any results on that. Okay, suppose you have a review of 20 and you are getting less conversions, you can't judge that, okay, for this reason I'm getting less conversion, because the listing is not mature. You can't change anything, you can optimize anything until the listing is optimized that way, until the listing is matured. So you need to get as much reviews as possible for the 1 or 2 months, then the reviews will flow automatically by the methods that we use. Okay, but for that, getting initial few reviews, you need to approach few things, because you can't approach friends, you can't approach families. Whom you are going to approach? You can approach influencers, because you can get them, like you can get hold of them very easily.
Hmm.
Influencers, I mean, not exactly influencers. They will have very less followers, or random people, like they would have less than 500 followers. That is when they will not ask for any money.
So they should
Okay.
be part, like, I mean, they should be into a particular niche or something which. on
No,
which
no, no,
you are
not sure,
selling?
not onto it.
Not,
Okay.
not like that,
Anyone,
right?
anyone, because
Anyone
your
you
goal,
can choose,
yeah,
like,
yeah,
and
yeah,
randomly you can make the group and
yeah.
ask them to buy the product. Right?
Yeah, exactly.
Okay. So you find them on Instagram or YouTube or like any specific social media platform, or you use all?
No, I
all-
use Instagram only, because Instagram is easiest. Okay, and that is the cheap way to do it.
Mhm.
If you go for anyone who has 200 subscribers on YouTube, they'll ask for some money. I'm not
Hmm.
sure, but they can.
Mhm.
Instagram is the cheap way to do it, and you can get hold for them very easily. You can just simply DM them, right?
Correct. Yeah, that's the easiest method, like how you can reach to them. Okay.
Okay. Yeah. Any other questions?
Yes, Sammy. Just one question is that when we are running the PPC, I mean, mainly the two for the beginner sellers, this PPC and coupons are sufficient. So for PPC, when we are running, what should be the bid? Like, should we take the maximum or the suggested bid for exact and phrase campaigns?
If you're not breaking into placements, then little bit lower than the suggested is fine. Okay, like 20-30% lower than the suggested is fine, because after all, that is not fixed. You have to change it based on the results. You have to change it. If you're not getting impression, you have to increase it. Okay, so nothing is fixed here. You're just trying with one bid, and your goal is to increase it if you're not seeing any impressions. Okay, so start with a little bit lower, 20-30% lower than the suggested ones, because suggested bid are generally very high, which is not the exact bid. If you see, after you get the results, one cost per click, you will see the suggested bid may be 5 rupees, whereas you are getting cost per click 2 rupees. So how the shift is there? Because that is the average of the yearly bids. And during prime season, during sales season, Great India sales, the bids are very high for the sellers. So that is why the suggested bid is so high. And you need to put 30% or 20% lower than the suggested bid. Okay.
But sometimes I notice also that say put the bid of 5 rupees, the cost per click is coming to 10 rupees because we have chosen up and down. So should we?
You
move from
shouldn't choose up and
to
down. You have to choose down only or fixed. Down only is the best. Okay.
down only? Okay, and it keeps changing throughout the day. So we should keep a tab every time and then keep changing the suggested bid in that.
No, just keep it. Just keep it up and down. Sorry, just keep it down only. As put the little bit lower than suggested bid. It will not change anything. The bids cost per click will change, because that will change over time. But your bids will be fixed, and the down only will be obviously fixed based on what settings you're using, right?
Okay. Okay.
Amit, the question related to my earlier question. So for the launch, like, do you follow any sequence? Like you said, one is search find like method, which where we'll ask you.
No, we do that all at a time, because we want our listing to get traffic from 2, 3, 4 different sites. Okay, different sites. That is what keeps us away from Amazon's eyeballs. Like they will not notice that much. Okay, we want the traffic to be driven from all sorts of sites, from PPC, from search find buy, from rebate, from promo, from Google Ads, everywhere.
Okay. And like, I mean, PPC is something as per my experience and knowledge, like what usually happens, like if there is no reviews, the conversion is really low, right? At that point,
Yeah.
like if there is PPC running, so we may lose up something. So do you
You have to focus on reviews, right? You have to focus on reviews at least.
Okay, so what I was trying to say is like before launch, before starting your PPC campaign,
What you can do
there
is
should be some
before
reviews or
even
something.
starting this launch method,
Hmm.
just create 2-3 variations. Okay, just create 2-3 variations of it. Launch one variation first without anything. Get some reviews on that variation, on that child one. Then what you can do is you can just simply increase the price of the child variation so that one can buys it, or just like let them go out of stock. But now the reviews will stick for a longer time. It may happen Amazon decides sometimes to break those variations, and then the reviews will also break. But at least for the launch time, the review number will be there, right? That is
So
a strategy
child
we were
variation-
using for a longer time. But it
Okay.
is better if you can just get few reviews starting out, because your price is lower, your conversion will obviously be low. Okay, no, when you launch, what happens is, suppose you're getting one sale through PPC, you will get one or close to two sales through organically. But once it is matured, the sales increases, the organic side of sales increases. That is because now you have ranking, now you have reviews. But during launch, it doesn't happen. In launch, even though we have seen ACOS goes very high, because obviously the listing quality is bad, the reviews are not there. Those are the reasons. But if you can start with that method where you launch variations first, then you can get some reviews in hold. Okay.
So when you say variations, like the actual
Child
variation, or
variations,
just
yeah.
for the dummy, like you'll create some variations.
Just create a dummy one. Okay, just create a dummy one. Then you can do FBM, send them empty boxes.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, that is the
Okay.
method.
And that variation would be a similar product, right?
Yeah, obviously your child variation, your main product's child. So that will be the same product. That is why they will be sticking on one listing, right?
Okay, you means same product, two
Same product.
variations?
So yeah, same product. You will have 2-3 variations already created there. Okay, 2-3 child variation will be there. Then you will keep the first child variation that you want to launch suppressed
So
by
let's
not
take an
adding
example of this
the
supplement product.
launch. Yeah.
Yeah, supplement product where you cannot really create the variations of the parent product. So, like, I mean,
You can,
understand,
right? You
but,
can create variations. You
I
can
mean,
create pack of 2, pack of 1, anything like that.
okay. Oh, okay. So that if you're creating pack of 2.
So what happens is, if you get review in pack of 2, it will also show in pack of 1 as well, right? If you get combined 3 reviews, 1 in pack of 1, 2 in pack of 2, then if anyone goes in the product, it will show 3 reviews, right?
Okay.
It
Yeah,
may
I
happen
got-
Amazon breaks the variation later. Okay? It may happen. We have seen that almost 80 to 90% of the time they breaks the variation.
Okay.
But once Amazon breaks the variation, you try a lot of methods. We have tried to uploading flat file, that didn't happen well. We have merged the AA signs, that didn't happen well. Ultimately, if Amazon breaks the variations, it is very hard to get those packed again. Close to impossible. Okay. So
Sammy,
guys,
one question on this. So you said about this FBM and sending out the empty boxes. Does that like have you ever faced any problem because of that? Because we are just telling our friends to buy and we send them empty boxes. Does Amazon
No, I haven't
Okay.
faced it. It is better if you don't ask your friends to do it. Okay.
Yeah, it's
They don't track it. Okay, they don't track it because you're doing a good order. It is not like your friends can order, right? It is not like that. If they are paying the price, they are ordering. They are not. Yeah, one thing. If your goal is reviews, you shouldn't ask for your friends and families, right? That is the first thing.
Yeah.
Okay, guys. So what we'll do is, I have a few more calls to do. I'll just end this session here. Okay. Now the link is there. The link is there in the chat section. You can just copy it out, because this offer for paying $999 will be expiring by tonight. Okay. So this is advanced training. If you want to scale your business, you should get into it. Okay. After all, you need to invest some time and energy and money into learning some new things. So no, it is not an explanation of this training program. It is a complete separate training on advanced strategies for advertising. Okay. I've shared the link again. If anyone wants to join, you can join the training. And the offer will be valid till midnight only. Okay. So I will end this session here. If you have any questions or if you want to make the payment, you can just message in this number 7908059508 and the link will be provided to you. Okay. Okay, guys, that's it for this training. Okay. I'll end this session here and thank you everyone for joining. Okay. Bye everyone. Take care.
Thank you, Samir. This was great session.
Yeah. Bye.